Hey, what is going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my apps review. We are going to be checking this out. In this review, we are going to be taking a close look at this. I'm going to do my best to let you know what this is for you to be able to determine if this is the right fit for you or not. And of course, I've actually put together some high quality bonuses for you to allow you actually get the best out of apps if at the end you decide to pick this up. You are going to find the link to this mega bonus bundle in the description of this video. So at any point in time in this review, you can actually click on that link. That's going to be the first link in the description of this video, and it's going to take you to this page. You are going to get more information about this. Of course, there's going to be the demo on this bonus page, and also you'll find out all the bonuses that I've actually put together to get you the best result with app. Now, these are individual software bonuses in their own right, and of course you even have one of them that gives you the opportunity to launch your own software products, puts you in the position of a vendor without writing a single line of code. But without getting ahead of myself, actually, let's get back to the Appz software. Now, I'm going to explain what this is. Now, this is a cloud-based AI software, and this allows you to create your own apps. Now, it's not specific, meaning that it's not specific to your OS, meaning that if you are using an iPhone, if you are using an Android phone, or if your audience are using either iPhone or Android phones, they would still be able to use this. It's going to allow them to install it on their own phone. Now, this is useful even for marketing, because the most interesting part to me is you can actually add affiliate links to these apps, and you can, with the help of the marketplace you are also going to be getting, propagate these apps which you have created without writing any single line of code. It's pretty simple. You are going to be able to propagate this with your own affiliate link and even make people install it on their phones, whether they are using the iPhone or they are using Android phone, which I think is the most interesting part of this software. So you're going to be able to create your own apps. You can do that if you have a website. You can actually just convert your website into an app, or if you don't have a website, which I think that's the best option actually, you can just choose the second option that allows you to create apps in just a matter of minutes actually, without your own personal website, which is pretty cool. But whatever it is that you've chosen to do, you will be able to do with the Appz software. So you are going to be able to create your own apps. This technology is called PWA, meaning progressive web app, that allows you just create these mobile apps, give your users that mobile app experience kind of, but without you having to write code, without you having to submit it to Google Play Store and wait for approval and those kind of things. You are going to be able to do this, generate this in a matter of minutes, and then you can actually spread the word, which is the most interesting part, because you can get your affiliate links from ClickBank, from Warrior Plus, from JVZoo, from any affiliate network, and then just add your links. You can add banners. This is pretty much interesting. I'm also going to let you see the full demo just shortly. Now, this is what the sales page looks like. We created the only no code PWA mobile app builder. 3 clicks AI app turns anything into profitable iOS and Android apps in seconds, and then publish them into our marketplace with millions of active users. Our apps makes us $573.65 daily with zero marketing, zero coding, and you can actually integrate 9 different monetization methods with your apps. Of course, no coding, like I explained to you, no designing. If you want, you can actually upload your own logo, which is absolutely, you have the choice to upload your own logo or not. No ads, no content creation needed. Of course, no BS. So feel free, come check out the sales page. You're going to find the link to my bonus page in the description of this video. If you click on any of the red links, any of the red buttons on this page, it's going to take you to the sales page of Appz, where you're going to be able to click on any of the buttons here to pick it up at any time. Now, bonus number one, you are going to be getting from me, you're going to be getting access to auto links. Now, this is a cloud-based software. This is a marketing software that allows you to generate your ebook, without you having to, do all the work that's actually required. You get access to ebooks. You get access to done for you landing pages that allow you to use these ebooks to actually generate traffic and build your own list. So you are getting access to funnels, ebook funnels. You are getting access to free traffic, and then you can automatically add your affiliate links into these ebooks, which is interesting. Also, bonus number two, you are getting access to the traffic pool software, giving you done for you bonuses just like this ones to actually entice people, and you can use this to promote any affiliate offers. Now, you're going to be getting access to a free traffic rotator in this cloud-based software, meaning there's traffic done for you. Practically, all you need to do is create these landing pages, these bonus pages from the bonuses you are going to be getting access to inside this cloud-based software, and then you can start generating traffic instantly from the inbuilt traffic rotator as well. This is what I use daily, and practically this can even generate you commissions even if you have zero experience, even if you're a complete newbie to affiliate marketing. Bonus number three also gives you access to launch your own product without writing a single line of code. You are going to be getting access to white label. You are going to be getting white label access to high quality software that you can launch on your own and then profit, sell unlimited copies without any restrictions whatsoever. Bonus number four, you are going to be getting access to an email list of 1,000 plus subscribers plus autoresponder software that you can actually go and put on your own hosting and start sending out emails, as opposed to paying monthly fees for autoresponders like GetResponse or Aweber. You are getting a list to start with. You are getting autoresponder software without limit as well. Bonus number five, you are going to be getting access to the pro version of Octagon. Now, this comes with done for you high converting ClickBank offers, Warrior Plus offers. Now, you are going to be getting them in review sites, meaning the content is done for you that allows you to pull traffic. All you need to do is add in your affiliate links and create your site in a matter of minutes, and you are good to go. Bonus number six, I'm going to be showing you how to use WordPress for email marketing. If you have a WordPress website, you can start email marketing from your WordPress website without restrictions. These are things that you would find out that elite level marketers are actually doing, and you can start doing the same thing for your own profit as well, because I'm going to be showing you in this video exactly how to go about that. Bonus number seven, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses as well. All you need to do is click on any of the red buttons on this page. It's going to take you to the sales page of Appz, where you're going to be able to pick it up and where you're going to be getting full information about the Appz software. So that's my review of Appz. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Stay tuned right now for the demo.
Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how Appz works. So this is the dashboard right here. So to create your mobile apps, you click on My Applications, and then this will show all the existing apps you've created. Then you click on New Applications, and you can choose this or this. So you can easily turn any website, URL, or page to mobile app, or you can start to create from scratch. So let me use this. You click on Next. You input your details right here. The app name the URL of the website that you want to turn to mobile app, the description and others, a category, and you click on next. So you quickly select the theme color right here, the background color, the primary color. Okay, you click on next. Then you upload your app icon. Then click on create application, and you can see, so it has been created successfully, and all you need to do is to click here to download this file and install it on your website root folder. So you click on download, you go to next. For the next step, you download this 2 file as well and also upload it to your website public root folder. So let's click on next. And lastly, you copy this code and you paste it inside your index.html or this, and your website is now going to be running as a mobile app. The setup has been completed, and this is the new app we just created. Alright, so now also let's use this second option. You fill in the details, and also you input the keyword. So, and you can choose to use a template or start from scratch. I'm going to use a template. Click on proceed. Select from the list of templates that we have, or you can fetch out. Okay, so you can also preview. So let me use this. Okay, apps created. Amazing. So this is the template, and you can easily customize this. You can add whatever you want to do. Demo, test. You can change the color. You can do whatever you want to do. Okay. You can also add any of these elements right here. So like this. This is a timer now. So you can move it up to anywhere you want. So this is it here. You can set the date. You can customize to whatever you want. Okay, you can change the style, the background color, everything that you want. Okay, also you can add the menu, you can modify everything. So once you're done, you click on save changes and you publish your app, and you can click here to preview. So this is a live preview. Okay, and it will ask your viewers, your customers, to install these on their mobile phone, and they can click on install and install this application on their mobile phones. Also, with apps, you can add products. You can easily sell any kind of products right on your mobile app. You can sell digital products, physical products, e-commerce products, or whatever. Okay, so you can add a product category, the order list. Okay, you can also monetize your mobile apps with affiliate offer. All right, you can send SMS right inside apps. You can send push notification. You fill in the title, the message, your mobile apps link right here. Okay, and it also comes with a built-in marketplace that allows you to sell your mobile apps to local businesses. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.